How to make your renders look really cool, realistic and more professional. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you very cool and quick light trick that you can use in your product renders. So I have this simple scene with Marshall speaker and plane behind it and our camera. So let's begin with adding our light. So press Shift A, add an area light, scale it down a little bit or something like that, and move it here. I like to place it on the top, so it will be something like this. You can play around with its position. The next what we're gonna do is go to render settings and change the render to cycles and GPU if you have one. The next thing I like to go here to world settings and make it black, so in our render we don't have another light. So what we're gonna do now, go to our light area settings. Here you can preview what you're doing and increase the power to around 50 and spread light to 1 degree. So you see how it's changing now. Now here in shader editor, click use nodes, and by pressing Ctrl T with node renderer add-on enabled, we will get here and delete our image texture and add the noise texture. Place vector to vector and FAC into color, and here add a color ramp. So now with preview enabled you can watch what you are getting, you can play around, and here in noise texture change 3D to 4D. So here are my settings that I used. The next one what we're gonna do is add another light, the point, so it will illuminate our background. So you see how it looks now. And the next I'm gonna duplicate it with Shift D and place one light here and one to the right, so it will illuminate our border of our Marshall speaker. So you can now increase a little bit our main light power, and this is what we got. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video if it was useful for you, and see you next time.